The scene capture functionality is a mechanism to assign a ghosting state to a particular scene. So this mainly deals with this button, which allow, if you press it, to assign the current ghost setting to the scene. In this model, I have defined 3 scenes, scene 0, scene 1, and scene 2. So let's assume that for scene 2, I want to assign this ghosting state to the scene. So I just need to define my ghosting state and press the capture button. So if I go to scene 1, the ghosting state is basically no ghosting, whereas scene 2 will automatically switch to the ghosting state where the table and the 3 chairs are ghosted. So let's move to scene 1 and say we want only the table to be ghosted. So let's capture the state. Now, if I move to scene 2, 3 chairs and the table, scene 1, only the table, and scene 0, nothing. So this is the principle of scene capture. As we will see, this is very useful if you work in conjunction with layout, because in layout you basically use the scenes to create your document with a screenshot of the model. Scene capture can be used in conjunction with ghost configurations. So I enable the show advanced features, and actually I have 3 configurations in my model. So this new configuration, for example, has the table ghosted in green. So now if I use scene 2 and I enable this new configuration and I capture the scene, you see that now in scene 1 the table is ghosted in pink. In scene 2 it is ghosted in green, and the switch has been done between the previous configuration and the new configuration. So you can perfectly assign different configuration to different scenes. This also is useful if you use it in conjunction with layout.